All right. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay, now let's move on. Sorry. Let me close this one first. Okay, so here, let's have our page 2. Sorry. So here, page 2, hello. Okay, let's practice the words. Okay? Okay, so here, let's read and let's practice the sentences. Okay, Huang?
Yes.
Okay. So let's read. Hello, our names are Holly and Harry. Harry Brown. We're 10 years old. Okay, can you please read?
My name is Juan. I'm from Vietnam. I'm 10 years old.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, that's nice to hear. Thank you so much for sharing, Huang. So you are Huang and you are 10 years old. You are from Vietnam. That's nice. Okay, now let's read first. Okay, so let's read Holly and Harry. Okay, can you please read? Hello.
Hello.
Our names are Holly and Harry.
Hello, my name is Juan. I'm from Vietnam.
Mhm. Okay, that's nice to hear. Okay, so let's read. Let's read first, okay? Okay, repeat after me. Hello. Our names are Holly and Harry.
Hello. Our name
Are
are
Holly
Holly
and
and
Harry Brown.
I'm you proud.
Okay, we're 10 years old.
10
We're,
years old.
they were 10 years old. We're, say it again. We're 10 years old.
10 years old.
Okay, very good. Okay, so this is Holly, the girl, and this is Harry, a boy. Okay, so we're twins. Say it. We're twins.
Yes.
Twins.
Cô không có thấy cô.
Sorry?
Không có thấy.
You can see you cannot see my screen. Okay, let me stop. Okay, again.
No.
Okay, how about this one? How about this one? Can you
Okay.
see it? Okay, can you see?
Queen.
Okay, we're twins. I'm sorry. I think you can see it. Okay, we're twins.
Queens.
We draw our family tree.
Your family tree.
Okay, now let's start. Okay, look and answer the questions. Okay, so let's have Holly and Harry family tree. Okay, so let's read. So this is grandpa,
Grandpa.
grandma. Okay, dad,
Dad. Mom.
mom. Okay, Michael,
Michael.
Lily,
David.
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 Yes, David. Okay, and Helen.
Helen.
Okay, Emma.
Emma.
Okay, Holly,
Holly.
Harry,
Harry.
William.
William.
All right. So as you can see, there um there has a numbers. on the side, right? They have the numbers here. So it means that is their age. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So let's start with number 1. Okay. What is Harry and Holly's sure name? What are their sure name? Their sure name is
Is that
what is it? What is their sure name? It's Brown.
round?
Yes, Brown. Their sure name is Brown. Okay, number 2 questions. Okay, look at here. Number 2. How many grandchildren do and grandparents have? How many grandchildren?
Five.
And 5. Okay, let's count. So 1, 2,
Three.
3, 4, 5. Yes, correct. That is 5.
Nice.
Okay, very good. This time, who is Harry's cousin? Who is Harry's cousin?
Yes.
Who is Harry's cousin?
Yes.
Mhm. It's,
It's
what's
three.
it? It's a tree. Okay, his William cousin is William. Say it, William.
Em.
And yeah, Emma. Correct. And
Helen.
Helen. Okay, very good. Okay, so those are his cousin. Okay, let me delete this one first. Okay, number 3 questions. Are you ready? Okay. Number 3. Who is Harry's cousin? Oh, sorry. So number 4, I mean. How many brothers and sister has Harry got? Oh, so William and Emma is her brother and sister. So that is not his cousin. So his cousin is Lily, David, and Helen. Okay? Can you tell me how many brothers and sisters has Harry's got? Wait, let's count. So we have William, so one brother
Two.
and two two
Two.
sis
Sister.
yeah, two sisters. Okay, say it, sisters.
Sister.
Okay. Okay. Who is grown up but not married? Who is grown up but not married? It's, who is it? It's
It's
Will. Mhm.
William.
William. Very good. And of course, Helen. Right?
Yes.
Okay. This time, let's move on to number 6. Okay, let's move on number 6. Who is Holly's aunt? Who is Holly's aunt? It's
Lily.
Lily. Very good. Can you say it again? Holly's aunt is Lily.
Lily.
Okay, one more time. Holly's aunt is Lily.
Lily.
Okay, let me put it down. Okay. Holly, Holly's aunt is Lily.
Lily.
Yeah, Lily. Okay, let me. Oops. Can you see my? Okay, here. Okay, can you see it? Or can you read it? Okay, let me bigger. Okay, here. So Lily's aunt. or Holly's aunt?
Yes.
Holly's aunt.
Only ants.
Yeah. Okay. Can you please repeat? Holly's aunt
This ant.
is Lily.
Lily.
Okay. Very good. So Lily.
Lily.
Okay. Number 3. Let's have our number 3. Okay. Draw your family tree and talk to your friend about it. Okay. So let's have a story first. So number 1, listen to the story. Okay, let me check if we have a story here. Okay, so here number 1. So the children are playing in the park. Where are they playing? Where are they playing?
There are.
They are in the they are in the park.
The
Say it again. They are in the park.
park.
Yes. Okay, one more time. They are they are
They are
in the park.
in the park.
Okay, very good. This time, let's read the sentences or a graph. Okay, let's have a monologue here. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's start. Okay, I will read the little girl. You will read this blue one, and I will read the little girl, the girl. Okay, I want to count. Okay, next, your
You
turn. Okay,
goes into 1,000.
okay, we're going to hide. Okay, now they are going. Have you played this game before? Like hide and seek? Do you play hide and seek? Hmm? Do you play hide and seek? Like you will cover your eyes and then your playmates will run and hide anywhere. Have you? Hmm? Have you tried to play this game? Yeah. Hmm? You didn't try to play this one? Not yet?
Good.
Not yet. Okay, so here. So let's continue. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you say it?
3.
Okay, come on, George.
Oh, go.
George.
So,
Okay, this way, Cathy. Okay, they are running there. Okay, and George and his friend is running out there. Okay, they will hide. Okay, since you haven't tried this game, okay, we read it. Okay? So now let's read this one. So look at the picture. Okay, where they are going? Where they were going? They will?
you on the right.
Yeah, they will hide. Very good. So they will, say it again, they will hide.
Hide.
Yes, okay. 437, 880, 999. Okay, can you please read? 400 and
And 47.
say 437. Good. Okay, 800 and
882.
80. 80. 82. Then 990.
999.
99. Very good. Okay, so and 1,000. Okay, say okay. So 999. Then she opened her eyes and then she will look around and she will see their playmates. So yeah, say 1,000 coming, ready or not, I can see you. So that is the game of that is the game of hide and seek. Okay, how to play hide and seek. Okay, so can you say it? 1,000 coming, ready or not, I can see you. Say it again. 1,000
1000. Come
coming. Say
or
coming.
not.
Ready or not, I can see you. Say it, I can see you.
I can see you.
Okay, very good. Say, you didn't count 1,000. You didn't count to 1,000. Say it. You didn't.
You can
You
see
didn't count
red house
to 1,000.
2000.
Okay, very good. Okay, so that is the game. Okay, so I will read it right. Okay, I will read it again. Okay, so repeat, or sorry, I will read it again and please listen it carefully. Okay, let's start. Okay, children are playing in the park. So I want to count. Okay, you count to 1,000. Okay, we're going to hide. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on, George. This way, Cutty. Okay, 437, 880, 82, 999, 1,000. Coming, ready or not, I can see you. Okay, okay, you didn't count 1,000. All right, so that's all for the playing hide and seek. Okay, let's look at number 2. So look at the story, write the words for this number. Okay, so what is the word of this 882? 800
100 and
and
2.
82. Very good. All right, how about, okay, let me write down for you. Okay,
8
800
and 82.
and 92?
82.
82. Okay, very good. 882. Oh, sorry. Okay, so here. Okay, how about this one?
1000.
1,000. Very good. All right. So that is how we write our words by numbers. Okay? All right. So let's move on to number 3. Okay, so here in number 3, listen to the rhyme and the number, the month of the year. Okay, so this time let's talk about month of the year. So can you tell me or do you remember how many months in a year? How many months in a year, Huang? It's
5.
is it 5? So
Yes.
yeah, so 10 plus 2. It's
5.
okay, so 12 in a month. Okay, so 12 months in a year? Can you say it? 12 month. So 12 month.
5.
Sorry? So it's 12 months in a year. Okay, now let's read. Do you remember what is the s- um what is the first month of the year? It's January. Say it. January.
January.
Okay, January. Next is
June.
February. Say February. Let's let's have, okay, this number or this month, let's have how is it? Let's have numbers for this. Okay, so the first month of the year is January, February, and then
3.
March.
Now.
Okay, so the third month of the year is March. Okay, all right, so March, and then the next month of the year is April. Can you say it? April.
April.
April. What's next?
5.
A five. Yeah. What is the fifth month of the year?
5.
It's May.
May.
Yeah. May. Next.
June.
June. Very good. Next. July.
July.
Okay. Next.
August.
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 Very good. August. Next.
September.
September. Very good. Next.
October.
October. Next.
November.
November. Then
December.
December. So that is the month of the year. So it's 12. Okay, so 12 months in a year. Okay, let me write down for you. Okay, can you tell me? Okay, can you read the first month of a year? It's Jan. What is the first month of the year, Jan? January. Say it. Huang, say January.
Yes.
Okay, say it. January. February.
May.
Is it May? What is the number 3 here?
May.
Mm, it's March.
May.
Is it May?
Yes.
Okay, May is the fifth one. Okay, so we are already only in a third month. So fourth month. What is the fourth month? What is the fourth month? Number 4. What is number 4? April.
April.
Okay, good. Next.
May.
May. Yes, that's correct. May. Then
June.
next. June. Perfect. Next.
July.
July. Good.
August.
August. Oops.
September.
September. Good job.
October.
Hmm?
October.
October.
November. December.
Very good. October, November. November. Okay. And December. Okay. Now, this time, I will ask you a question. Okay, Huang? Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Huang. what is the day today? What is the day today? Today is what is the day today?
January.
Is it January today?
No.
Okay, what
May.
is May?
Yes.
Okay, so today is
May.
June. Say June. What day today? June.
No. May.
Okay. So today is all right, so the month of the year today is
May.
June.
May.
May. Is that your birthday? May is your birthday?
May.
Ah, okay. So what month of your birthday? May?
May.
May. Okay. So teacher asking if what day today? Today is
Is
June
June
11.
11.
Yes. So if someone asking you what day today? Today is June 11. Okay.
Yes.
All right. That's good. Okay. So remember, if we were asking about the day or a month, we will say this this month. Okay. So January, February. Can you say it? January,
January.
mhm, February.
Yes.
Okay. Say it. February.
Yes.
hmm Can you say it again? February,
February.
March,
March.
April,
April.
May,
May.
June,
June. July.
July,
August.
August.
September. October. November. December.
Perfect. Okay, what is your favorite month? What is your favorite month?
May.
May. Why May? Why do you like May? Because
14.
May 14. Is that your birthday? May 14? Sorry?
14.
May 14? Is that your birthday?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Can you ask a question? Okay. Teacher, what is your birthday?
Yes.
Okay, can you ask a question? What is your birthday? Or when is your birthday? I mean, when is your birthday? Hmm? Can you ask a question, Huang? When?
May.
May. Okay, thank you so much for that. Do you have any questions? Do you have question?
Yes.
Okay, what is your question? Hmm? What is your question?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
If you have a question, you can say, yes, I have question. If no, you
Yes.
can say,
I wasn't.
no, you wasn't. Can you say it again? All right, I will ask again a question. Do you have any question, Huang? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I am. Okay, can you tell me what is your question?
I am.
What is your question? Can you tell me your question? Hmm? What is your question? If you have a question.
Your home.
Okay,
Your home.
your home? Can you say it again? Where is your home or where do you live?
Home.
Where? Okay. Where? Say it again. Where do you
Where do you
Live.
Live.
Okay,
I
so
live
that.
in the NCT.
Wow, nice one. So where do you live? Okay, I live in.
The NCT.
Wow. Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay, so I live in
The
um
NCT.
Metro Manila City. Okay, so thank you so much for that. Do you have any questions now? Do you have questions? None so far? Hmm? Do you have any questions?
No.
Now, all right, let's move on to our home. Okay, so this time, let us read and complete Holly and Harry's home. Okay?
Yes.
All right, let us read. So this will be fridge.
Yes.
Say it, fridge.
Free.
Fridge. So
Free.
do you have fridge? Do you have fridge at your home at in your home? Do you
Yes.
have? Yes. Okay, so this is a fridge. Okay, number two, what is it? It's
Yes. Cooker.
cooker. Very good. Okay, let me write. Cooker.
Cooker.
Okay, so here.
Cooker.
Okay, let me change my theme. Okay, so cooker.
Cooker.
Okay, next, number three.
Cooker.
Number three,
Number 3. Bean.
bean. All right, bean. What is the use of bean?
No.
What is the use of bean?
Yes.
Okay, what is the use? What
Bean.
we will make us, or
Ah.
we will put our garbage, right?
Caprese.
Did you
Yes.
throw your garbage in a garbage bin?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, number three and number four. What is it? It's an
Over.
oven. Say it again. Oven.
Over.
All right, oven. Okay, let me write down here. Okay, next. Number five. It,
Rucksack.
sorry,
Rucksacks.
rucksacks.
Mellow rucksack.
Okay, let me check. Yeah, okay. Okay, is it rule? Let me wait. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, number six.
Number 6.
Mhm.
Shelf.
Shower or shampoo?
Sail.
Shelves. Say it,
Yes.
shelves.
Sail.
Okay. Okay, what is the missing word?
Sail.
Okay, next. Oh, sorry. Seven.
Sail.
Me.
Sail.
What is the missing word? Number seven.
Yes.
What is it? It's a,
Mirror.
yeah, mirror. Okay, number eight.
Telephone.
Telephone. Okay,
Violin.
Phone.
Violin.
Violin. Okay, number 5. Okay, let me write down.
Drum. Violin. Drum.
Drum. Say it, drum.
Drum.
Okay, drum. Violin. Where is it? Okay. Viol.
Violin.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, so it's a violin.
Violin.
Good. And drums. Is it
Drum.
drums? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this our home. Do you like it? Okay, so how about you? Can you describe your home? Can you describe your home?
Yes.
Like what Holly and Harry did. Can you describe your home?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you have mirror too?
Rucksacks. O U C K S U C K.
Okay, one moment, please. Okay, here. One moment. Okay. Is it this one? What did you say? US?
U U C U C
Hmm?
U C K.
Okay.
Không, cây có rồi cô. No, no.
All right. So leave it. Okay, that's okay. So let me check because I can't see it clear. Okay. Okay, can you write down for me?
U C S U C.
Hmm?
No.
You you
U
you see so RUS
S
K
U C.
U C
Yes.
K Ruscock. Oh, okay. All
Rucksack.
right.
Bỏ
Is
chữ.
that what you said?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So thank you then. Okay. So do you have this Ruscock? Do you have? Do you have at your home?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So what is the use of that? Can you tell me what is the use of Ruscock?
This says yes.
Okay. What is the use of that?
Yes.
Yes. Is
Yes.
it what thing is that? Is that a food?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much for that. All right. Now let's have number 2. What are the things? Order the letter to find the words. Okay, so number 1 here is shampoo. How
Shampoo.
about number 2? Do you think what is it? It's
Shampoo.
yeah, shampoo. How about number 2?
Shampoo.
Yes. How about number 2?
Shampoo.
Is it shampoo number 2? It's
Is shampoo.
number 2.
Number two.
Yeah.
Rose.
Tooth.
Rose.
Is that brush? Say, is it tooth? Ah, yeah, sure. Yeah, it's a brush. Okay, number 3.
Tree.
Mm-hmm.
Tree. Violin.
Sorry? Go ahead.
Tree.
And number 3.
And violin.
Envy.
And violin.
Envolene.
Yes.
Okay, envo. Okay, next. No, it's envelope. Oh, sorry. EVLOP. Yeah, it's envelope.
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 Yes. Okay, next, number 4. What is number 4?
Yes.
Hmm?
I go out drinking.
Okay. 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 Number 4.
Number 4. Come.
Okay. Number 5.
Stem.
Yeah, stamp.
Stamp.
Okay, one more time. One stamp. Okay, stamps. Is it stamp only or stamps?
Stamp.
Yeah, stamp. Okay, very good. Okay, number.
Stamp.
Okay, number 5. 6, I mean.
Number 5.
Hmm?
Letter.
Letter. Okay,
Letter.
very good.
Letter.
Okay, number 7.
Number 7. Boss. Bosca.
Yes, it's a postcard.
Bosca.
Okay, number 8.
Saffron.
Hmm? So, sorry?
Surf.
It's a soap. Say it again.
Surf.
Okay, so. Okay, number 5.
Necklace.
Necklace. Are you using necklace?
No.
All right, now. Okay, thank you so much. Do you have any question? Do you have any questions? No question? Okay, let's read first. Okay, number 1. Shampoo.
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 Brush.
Brush.
Envelope.
Envelope.
Comb.
Comb.
Stamp.
Stamp.
Letter.
Letter.
Postcard.
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 Okay. So,
Surf. Necklace.
very good. Wonderful. All right. Now, let's have listening. Okay. So, can you please read? Holly and Harry are getting ready for school. Okay. Where are their things? Listen, write, and things under each place. Okay, so let's answer number. Okay, first questions. First pictures. I mean. Okay, so what is it? Do you think what is it? It's
Key. No.
number one.
Không có.
Sorry?
No.
No, you don't know how to answer this one? Okay, so here, so Harry and Holly are getting ready for school. So they forgot their things. Okay? So but then we don't have an audio here. Okay, so let's skip this one first. Okay, so here. So have you seen these phrases? Okay. Let's get the phrases and connect into the picture.
It's a phone. No viết A. Phone.
Ah, number one. Okay, number one is,
Phone no viết A.
sorry? Phone, letter A?
Yes.
Okay, there's no phone in this. Okay, all right. Again, what is it? Now, letter A, what is it? Is it empty, broken, full,
Phone. Phone. Phone.
full? Okay, letter A is full. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me do this one first.
Broken C. Broken C.
Okay, broken is letter C.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, number letter, yeah, quiet.
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 Quiet. Quiet.
Let,
G. G.
letter G. Okay. Noisy.
Noisy. F. F.
Tidy.
E.
E. How about untidy?
D.
Okay, very good. Okay, good job. Okay, now let's read. Very good. You are ready.
Blocking. Blocking.
Blocking. So let's read first. Okay. Okay, number one, Harry's bedroom is very ti tidy.
Blocking.
Yeah, number two is broken. Okay, let's me write down. Broken.
Number three, empty.
So number three is empty. Okay, here is empty.
Empty. Number three, empty.
Number three is empty. Okay, how about number four? Holly's mom
Or
isn't happy because the bedroom is
number four, empty.
number so number three is empty. Yeah. Number four.
Number four, empty.
Oh, number four. Okay, let's read first. Okay. So Holly's mom isn't happy because her bedroom is always sorry? It's
Empty.
untidy. Say it again.
Check.
Untidy. Okay, next. Be blank, please. Emma Smoothie.
Beware.
Quiet. Say quiet.
Yep, quiet.
Okay, quiet. Okay, very good.
Sit noisy.
Noisy. Yeah. Number six is
Noisy.
always noisy. Okay, noisy.
Noisy.
Are you noisy now?
Noisy.
Yes, noisy. Number seven, I can throw this paper in the bin because it's
Phone.
full. Say full.
Phone.
Yeah, food. Okay, now let's read. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, let's
Phone.
read. Number 1. Okay, can you please read it to me? Okay, Harry's
Phone.
bedroom is very. Okay, can you please read to me?
Phone.
Yeah, full. Okay, number 1. Let's read. Harry's bedroom is very tidy.
Tidy.
Harry's Harry's bedroom,
Tidy.
yeah, is tidy. Okay, let's read number 2. Look, mom's necklace is broken. Can you please read?
Rocking.
Broken. Okay, but can you please read the full sentence first?
Rocking.
Broken. Okay, just a broken. Okay, let's read. Okay, let's read first. Okay, look, mom's
Rocking.
neck
Rocking.
necklace
Release.
is broken.
Rocking.
Okay, next, number 3. Can you read? Okay, the fridge was,
Oh. Rocking. Rocking.
yeah, broken. Oh, we are done with number
Empty.
3. Empty. So Dad went to the shop.
And two. And,
Yes. Number 4.
and two.
Undo. Say untidy.
Untidy.
Okay, let's,
Untidy.
all right, untidy.
Be quiet.
Be quiet. Okay, so let be quiet, please. Emma's so sleepy. Okay, number 6. I don't like going Harry's room. He's always so. He's always so
Only so. Noisy. Noisy.
noisy. Okay, I can't throw the paper in the bin because
Phone. Phone.
it's
Phone.
full. Say full. Full.
Phone.
Okay, very good. Do you have any questions? Do you have any question?
Phone.
Okay, yeah. Do you have any question now?
Yes.
Okay, what is your question? What is your question?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, like. Do you have any questions here? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what is your answer? What is your question? Can you tell me what is your question?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, all right, Huang. If you don't have any questions here, okay, let's. Okay, so yeah, so this is the end of our class. Maybe we will continue it on next meeting. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So good job, Huang. So you did great for answering and for um okay to complete the sentences as well. Okay, that's the good job. And you are already prepared or you prepared for the lesson. Okay, that's great.
Just that.
Okay, good job. Okay, so here is the, okay, so yeah, if you don't have any questions, then yeah, so here is the well done, pictures for you. Okay, good job, and I hope to see you again next time. Okay, well done. Good job. Okay, keep up the good work, Kwang.
Goodbye,
Okay,
teacher. See you.
goodbye for now. See you on next meeting.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.